Hi guys, today I will show you how you can renew your residence permit. So before I start, please do subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more updates. So this is the website where you have to go, and I will put the link in the description below. You can find it. So you have to click here, and after that if you have already account, you have to give details here. If you don't, then you have to create account here. It is simple. You have to write your visa or residence permit number and validity date and expiry date. So like I have mine, so I will press and sign in. So guys, if you forgot your password or ID number, you can find in your email. Just write VLS or where you have validated your long stay visa earlier, or you can click here. So after that you have to write your password. So now they are saying I am holder of my student visa, student. So I would like to apply for this. So like this option is not for master students. If you have any other options, you can check these. If you are included in this list, then you can choose this option, otherwise not. So research, but it is not for master students. So as a student, then keep on going. I am applying for a residence permit to study. This site allows to apply for residence permit online. It intends for all persons who have obtained visa within the last 12 months, holder of a long stay visa, holder of a valid residence permit. So we have 6 steps to submit our application. First, in personal information, purpose of stay, financial resources, supporting documents and summary, then confirm. So we will click on start. First is personal information. You have to write your name, date of birth, etc. all details. So like I think everyone can do this, so I will skip that part. Second step is purpose of study. So like I was student in France, yes, and then you have to click type of institution, university or engineer school or school business. So you have to choose your own. So like mine is university, and name of institution. Then you have to write name of institution. So mine is university. Then level of degree, master. So level of studies at the end of academic year, I will have M2. So you have to write your degree. Field of study. So I will be engineering sciences. I don't have result. Oh sorry, so it was year 2020-21, so it will be my M1, not M2. And here you have to write details of 2021 to 2022, so it will be again my university, and name of the institution will be the same. And now I will have master degree, but it will be M2. And then target degree at the end of this study will be same. I'm a student in a mobility program. I am not, so if you are, then you can click, otherwise no. Then save and continue. So third step is resources step. So you have to fill your financial resources. So guys, after writing your financial detail for scholarship amount and other your personal resources or anything else, so this is your total amount which you will have per month, and then you have to click save and continue. And if you have free accommodation, then click here. So save and so guys, here you have to attach your personal documents. So this is your personal information documents. If you have residence permit, you have to attach document here, and but for us we have to attach our passport here. And so provide the page of your passport related to civil status, validity dates, interest stamps and visa. So where we have our visa, so we have to attach here. Then you have to upload here e-photo number. So let me show you how you can do it. To get e-photo, you can visit any supermarket. Like I'm visiting a casino, so there will be photo matron like type of machine where you can get your e-photo, or you can also check the link where they have given. This is the machine, and these are the instructions. So first you have to click here by using this button middle, and you have to press photo the identity.
Sélectionnez un produit à l'aide des boutons indiqués. Ou sélectionnez autre produit. Sélectionnez un produit à l'aide des boutons indiqués. Ou sélectionnez autre. Veuillez appuyer sur le bouton vert. Veuillez insérer le montant indiqué à l'écran ou appuyer sur la flèche gauche du clavier pour sélectionner un autre produit.
After that you have to press enter here, and then it will take your photo and then it will print. So that's all. And then you can also have to sign using this. By here you will sign here after taking photo. So that's all. Thanks.
Votre photo est prête. Vous pouvez la récupérer à l'extérieur de la cabine. Merci et à bientôt.
So you can get photo from here. So after that you have to provide proof of residence of less than 6 months old. You can either provide electricity, gas, water, telephone or internet bills, or rental lease or receipt for rent or housing tax. You live in a hotel, so like I'm living in a cross accommodation, so I will either provide certificate from my hotel or I can provide my bill for the last month. So I have bill for the last month, I will provide this. And if you are living with the person, then you can provide certificate with their date and signature and his or her identity card, residence preference, proof of residence in his or her name. So you can provide any of these details. So after that, your purpose of state, for this I emailed to my university and they gave me all the relevant documents. So I suggest you the same, that you first contact with your university and tell them these all documents: certificate of enrollment or academic transcripts, last degree and certificate of achievement. And then here you have the resources option. If you are financially covered by other person, then you have to attach his bank statement, and with that you can pay up to 650 euro per month, and you have to attach document here. And if you have scholarship like me, I will upload here my scholarship letter as well, but my scholarship is 5,000 euro for 6 months, so like I need almost 8,000 euro, so I will also attach 3,000 euro bank statement here. So after this we will move to the next step. So guys, this is how it looks like. So after uploading the documents, I have uploaded my passport where I have visa and interest stamp, and I have also passport on my front page, and then I have added my photo number, and then I have added my cross attestation, also the last payment which I have paid, because I need these two things. So I uploaded these two things, and then a purpose of stay. So I have attached my school certificate and in my transcripts, and then I have not obtained yet because I am still in progress, so I have no, and these two, and here I don't have to add anything for now. And then I added my scholarship letter and my bank statement. So I will click on save and continue. So here I check the information I have entered by confirming all the 4 parts required to submit my application. Once the application has been submitted, I can no longer modify it. Okay, so like you should check your these things, and so after that you can also write anything you want. Here you can write anything which you want to them, so you can, if you miss anything. So after that check and confirm the rest of information entered, and then click, then confirm and submit my application. So after confirming all these steps, so you click this, your request has been successfully saved. You will receive an acknowledgement of receipt. So and then blah blah. So you will receive your email for application process, and if necessary you may be asked to provide additional documents. So here you can open your application confirmation. That's it. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. Take care. See you next time for more video.